Hey guys, this is some Dendritic salt from 33rd Parallel Soap Company, and I bought this because I've taken to making my own fragranced bath salts, and I needed a product other than some other options that are less effective and or harder to find here where I live. I thought this was the best option, and it certainly has turned out to be that way. You just add, depending on your recipe, a certain percentage of this very fine salt that absorbs a lot of liquid. Mix that with your fragrance oil, maybe add some polysorbate 20 or 80 if you don't want the oils to mix in your, or not mix, I should say, in your bath water and leave a nasty oily film. And then you mix that with the greater portion of your other salts like Epsom salt or pink Himalayan salt, and maybe even some botanicals. And this has worked out lovely for me. This particular brand, I chose it basically because I live outside the US and this was one of the few that shipped internationally. And that's obviously important for me. So very pleased with this and recommend it if you're making your own bath salts.